you're a beginner looking to invest, become a shareholder, and make good money from shares of US stocks like Amazon, Apple, Netflix, Facebook, etc. Whether you are in Nigeria or abroad, I'm making this video for you. In this video, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know as a beginner. I will share the basics of stock investing, the mistakes you need to avoid. I will share my screen and walk you through how to invest in this stock using the Optimus platform step by step. And finally, I will show you the best stocks to invest in to start building wealth. So whether you've never invested a dime before or you're looking to start investing smarter, stick with me to the end of this video, because I promise you, you will live with the confidence and knowledge you need to make your first investment today. I know these are things people pay to learn, but I'm free to teach you at zero cost. Just one favor. Please, could you help me like this video? Please. Thank you. I am Financial Jennifer, an investment banker, a chartered stockbroker, a chartered accountant, a certified financial instructor, but most importantly, your money cheerleader. My goal on this channel as your money cheerleader is to ensure that we secure this bag together. So if you're new to the family, welcome home. In this finance family, we simplify finance terms the way you would understand. Hit that subscribe button right away to join us. Ready to become a shareholder in the biggest companies in the world? Let's go. So this video is going to be in 3 parts. Part 1 will be all you need to know about investing in the US stock. Number 2 is step-by-step tutorial using the Optimus platform on how to invest. And then thirdly, I'm going to share the best stocks for you to invest in as a beginner. Part 1, 7 things you need to know before you invest in the stock market. 1, what does it mean to be a shareholder in this company? It basically means becoming a part owner. You are getting a tiny stake in this company. So I can say now I am a business partner of, let's say, Mark Zuckerberg, because I have shares in Facebook, that is Meta, right? So once you buy a share in the company, you become a part owner. You have a tiny stake, no matter how small, and whether they have the record profit or loss, you are taking part in it. Number 2, what are the stocks involved in investing in US stock? See, investing in stock is like a medium to high risk investing, right? Because things might not turn as planned. The prices are usually volatile. You can buy a stock $50 today, tomorrow it's $40. It can happen. The same stock you can buy $50, and you give it some years before you know it, it can become $1,000. I'm not capping. These things have happened in the past. There was a stock I bought like 200 and something. Right now it's about 1,000 something, and it's even less than 2 years. It could happen, but the risks are still there. For example, now where is BlackBerry today? BlackBerry used to be a stock that was doing well, vibrant and everything, but today nobody can tell. But we cannot say because of the risk and then draw back, because trust me, there is a whole lot of money to be made from the stock market. And that leads us to number 3. How do you make money from the stock market? 2 major ways. From dividend payment. When I say dividend, what I mean is when the companies make a profit, they can decide to share part of that profit to all their investors. So if you have a share in the company, you are getting paid. And secondly is price appreciation. Like I said before, you could buy a stock $50. Tomorrow it could be $200. It could be more. And that's even the cocoa. That's even the one that would make us a lot of money. Price appreciation. Number 4, how long should you hold these stocks? The truth is that if to get the best out of stock, it is long-term investing. At least 5 years. In fact, if possible, 10 years. If you don't have that patience, please leave the stock market alone. There are other fixed income investments like treasury bills, savings bond. I've made videos of them in this channel. I'm going to link them in the description. Go and watch those ones. Those are the ones you'll be focused on. But if you're looking for a long-term investment vehicle that could make you a lot of money, the stock market is where to be. The 5th point you need to know is how much do you need to start? Any amount, trust me. With as little as $1, you can invest in the stock market. That's what we call fractional shares. Buying a fraction, buying a part of a company. Let's say, for example, Facebook share is about $400 and something. If you don't have that amount, no problem. You have $5, you could buy. You buy $5 and keep. You can get like 0.01. Tomorrow you get $10. You buy again. It increases to 0.02, right? That's how you continue doing it. Tell yourself, give yourself that target, right? You can say by the end of the year, I want to have a full complete share of Facebook. I want to have a full complete share of Apple. That is how you give yourself target. The next thing you should know is when is the best time to buy. My dear, buy when you have money. That's the cocoa. Buy when you have money. Don't try to time the market. Of course, there are some periods the market can seem to be down. Always interesting. If you have more money, go harder. But buy when you have money. There is no best time. There is no wrong time. Honestly, in the long run, it doesn't matter. What I advise you is to practice dollar cost averaging. That means buying a particular amount periodically. So you could decide that every month I'll put $100 in the stock market. So each month, regardless of what the price is, you are buying. And finally, if you are in Nigeria, know that the US stock market opens around around 2:30 p.m. in the afternoon till like 9 p.m. right? Because there is a time difference. So if you want to log into your app, target this time between 2 p.m. to 2:30 to like 9 p.m. So these are basically the things you should know before investing in the US stock market. Next point is for us now is how exactly are we buying, which I'm going to share my screen, walk you through the app step by step. But have you liked this video? I don't know what you're waiting for. If you've not liked this video by now, please hit that like button. Trust me, you are going to get so much value. We're just getting started. Like I said, how to invest and then the best stock to invest. I'm going to log into my Optimus now and show you how. So for our tutorial, I'm going to be using my mobile phone because I know majority of people are going to be investing in their phone. But whether we want to be logging in from the web, it's almost the same thing. And I even have a previous video on this channel where we did example with the web. So let's go into Optimus now on my phone and show you how. Okay, so when you come to your Optimus wallet, first of all, you need to fund your account. So if you have dollar, you can deposit it. If not to worry, you can just pay in your naira and then swap it to dollar. On this channel, we've discussed about funding your Optimus account and everything, but I'm going to still show you briefly. So if you come to wallet here, you can see I have naira. So what I have to do is to swap this naira to dollars. They will show you the rate. Are you fine? Accept and continue. So how much? Let's say I want to swap 5,000 naira. So 5,000 will give me $2.9. I will do review order. Swap. So perfect, swap completed. Got it. So this money we swap now, it will be in my dollar account here on Optimus. And remember, on Optimus there are different dollar transactions you can do. You can do dollar mutual fund, you can do dollar savings. But for us, we want to invest in US stock. So what I have to do now is, yes, I have swapped it from naira to dollar. I will now move it from that dollar to my trading account, which I'm going to show you quickly now. So what I have to do now is to move it to my trading account. So if I come to my trading account, I have some money there already, but I can still add more. The one I just swapped now. So I will just do fund. So from my dollar account, I have $3. I can move the $3 I have there. So it will now make it $6 in my trading account. Confirm funding, transfer. Got it. Perfect. So now we have like $6 in our trading account. Let's now proceed to go and invest in US stock using these $6. So if you come back to your home, you see US stock, click on it. You can see the markets are closed because, like I told you, the US market opens for us in Nigeria. It opens between like that kind 2:30 p.m. to 9. But I can still buy now. When the market opens, it will now execute my trade. Although I like to wait till the market is open. Okay, so let's search for stock. Which stock are we going to buy? I'm using an iPhone, so let's buy Apple. I will now search Apple. From the search button, you see Apple here. Click on it. So right now, Apple is selling at $226. I remember the first time I bought Apple. I think that was 2 or 3 years. No. I think that was 3 years ago. It was about 100 and something, and now it's 200. And that means my money in Apple has doubled. You see, investing in the stock market will make you a whole lot of money. Okay, so if you scroll down, you will see the details of Apple. If you are new to Apple as a company, you can see what they are up to. If you scroll down here, you will see the news of Apple in the internet. Just take your time and read. If you are fine with everything, because I already have Apple, I will see buy more. If not, we just see buy. So I will click on buy more. How much do I want to buy? I can just do custom, continue. So I have $6, right? Let's say $6 I want to buy, and then you click on next. So this is the details of everything you are buying, the commission on it or the fees on it. If I'm fine, I will just click confirm. Ooh, Apple market order queued. So we have successfully invested in Apple. Apple is like one of the biggest companies in the world, and we just bought it with $6 only. $6 only. See, you don't have to have all the money in the world to start, and that is it. With as little as $1, like I said, you could invest in this thing. So once the market opens, now my trade is going to execute. I am now a proud investor in Apple. Okay, who did this along with me? Congratulations. Let's proceed. Stock investing is even one out of all the plenty investments we get our students in the Wealth Builders Academy. Wealth Builders Academy is a 3-week online school where I personally guide you, hold your hand to start your financial journey. We show you how to build your personal income statement, your budget, and then guide you on investing. I think some of us have joined that program. If you are yet, what are you waiting for? The next cohort is currently ongoing now. I'm going to leave the link to join us in the description. I can't wait to guide you on your investment journey. So for every people that will be like, I want to talk to you personally, how do I reach you? That is how to reach me. In the World Business Academy. Come, let me hold your hand and show you this investing thing now. What I've showed you can go ahead and start it on your own, but there are so many other investments we could guide you. Some people can have problems with their app. We liaise with these people, we liaise with these investment banks. If our students have issues, they guide them. So please, if you've not joined us, see you in the World Business Academy. The link will be on the description. So moving on, the best stock to invest for beginners. Since I started to know the stock you should be investing in, I'm going to discuss this in 3 different categories, and then for each category I will tell you the examples of the stock in that category. Are you ready? So number 1 is ETFs. ETFs is a pool of different stock. You see, we've just bought Apple now, but with ETF you would have Apple and so many other stocks inside. For example, we have VOO. VOO is an ETF that invests in the top 500 companies in the US. Why is this perfect for beginners? It offers diversification and helps spread the risk across different stocks, and it is managed professionally by fund managers. As a beginner, you might not know the best stocks to invest in. This is a perfect example for you to start. So what are examples of ETFs? We have VOO, we have VGT, we have HACK, HACK. Don't worry, in the World Business Academy we have a full list of stocks and ETF you can invest in, but these are some of the ones you could check out: VOO, VGT, HACK, HACK. Number 2 best stocks for beginners is blue chip stocks. What is blue chip stocks? These are well-established, stable company with consistent growth over the years, and they have a history of dividend payment. They have a track record of weathering economic downturns. So investing in blue chip stocks provide you stability and the potential for long-term steady returns. Examples of blue chip companies include Apple, JP Morgan, Johnson & Johnson, and so many others. Number 3 best investment for beginners are we call dividend aristocrats. For example, now Coca-Cola is not just a blue chip company name, it is also a dividend aristocrat that have distributed and increased their dividend consistently in the last 25 years. As a beginner, investing in dividend aristocrats, you tend to benefit from the rising income and then the dividend payment over time, and this you can invest your dividend for compounding effect. Example of dividend aristocrats include Walmart, P&G, Coca-Cola. Of course, there are so many other exciting examples, you know, the Facebook, the Amazon, the Tesla. Those are growth companies, and if you are just beginning, those are great because they have a lot of potential for growth. But if you are still looking for something more stable, these ones I mentioned are perfect for you. But like I said, in the World Business Academy we are going to discuss this further, and there you have it, finance family. We have discussed the things you need to know to invest in the US stock market. I have showed you how you can invest, and then some of the best stocks for you to invest. What are you waiting for to start investing? See, on this channel we don't just watch and go away. No, we practice. Now you have all of this information. What I need you to do is to go and download Optimus or any other app you want to use, sign up, and then practice along with what you've just learned, because you see, this money we must secure this bag. So thank you for being a part of this channel. And like I said before, if stock investing is not for you, there are different other investments. There is treasury bill, there is savings bond, there are so many other investments you can explore, and on this channel we've discussed them before. I'm going to link the videos I think will be helpful for you in the description. Go and watch them. I will see you on that video. I'm working on a video you are going to love. Just turn on the post notification so that whenever I post it, you are going to get notified. And see you on the World Business Academy. Link is on the description. Bye.